Tsaka tayo maggagawa ng sales offer. Meaning, ito yung promo natin, ito yung discount natin, ito po yung tawag dito, best deal na po pwede po namin ibigay sa inyo, di ba? Siyempre, ano yung offer natin? Ano muna yung offer natin? Ha? Anong unang ino-offer nyo? Hindi, nag-offer ka na, nag-present ka na nga ng sasakyan, di ba? Anong transaction? Financing, in-house financing. Okay. What if the client agrees, syempre, to turn over natin yung vehicle sa kanya? Or vehicle delivery, 10-step delivery process. After nun, ano ginagawa? Pagka na-release na yung unit?
After sales.
Which is follow-up. Okay? So, dito tayo mag-base kung dito tayo magsisimula. Then, step by step, let's see kung ano yung kung tayo nagkakaroon ng challenges, tama, mali. Okay. Sales process lang naman to. Okay?
So did you have a good lunch?
Yes.
So it's the last hour, supposedly, kasi talaga ang request ko ng workshop is 9 to 5, but I was told 9 to 1 o'clock lang, so I-extend ko na nga ng 2 because I made appointments already. But if you want to sit in tomorrow and the rest of the week, next week, I'll be conducting little bits of different workshops to lang ma-complete. But so far, complete naman yung gagawin nating workshop. I'm closing it now in the last hour with this activity, which is your sales process flow. Pero gusto ko yung tanong ni Mark, saan may glitches dyan? How effective of a communicator are you? Are you aggressive, passive, or assertive? You could be aggressive, but sometimes you could also be passive, you could also be assertive. What kind of a communicator are you? At saan nagkaka-flow in terms of your sales process flow? Saan nyo kailangan maging aggressive? Saan nyo kailangan maging passive? Saan nyo kailangan maging assertive? And which one are you here? Because these are critical points of view of an asset. It could be an asset for being a good salesperson. So, wrapping up, I want it all, kasi si Mark lang gumawa nito, and he knows this by heart already. Siyempre, trainer siya, di ba? So, alam niya na yan. So, what I want now, just maybe in a few minutes, is gather together, tapos mag-present kayo, maka-presentation kayo on how you want to present your sales process. In terms of communication, aggressive ba kayo, passive, assertive? So, can you group, kasi si Mark lang over lang, she did it here. Hindi po wala kayo, so hinahanap na kayo kanina. So, can you group yourselves together and just pag-aralan nyo, ano ba kayo dapat? Aggressive, sometimes passive, sometimes assertive. And here are the characteristics of all these three. Tapos at the end of it, pakipas kayo nandiyan para all the 6 days complete yung mga presentations. Okay, so start. I'll just listen. So clear ba instructions? I'm sure clear yan, the salespeople naman kayo. Kailan kayo naging aggressive, passive, assertive in these steps of your process?
Hearing to. Sino ba aggressive dito? Ako.
Obviously, Miguel.
Pero not all the time you can use that.
Exactly. So when do you use aggressiveness, passiveness, assertiveness? Saan dyan?
Apology. So siguro naman passive, sabi doon, trust others but not yourself. Siguro naman kailangan yung magkatiwala sa sarili nyo. Okay. Assertive. I choose to, what are my options, what alternatives we have. Yan. Usually, ito yung mga tatanong ng kliyente nyo. Diba? Kasi si aggressive, basically that's yung ano tawag dito, personality type. Number 1, yung bossy, autocrat, di ba? Usually kayo ba pag nagpe-present paano?
Passive.
Passive, which is nagpe-present kayo sa
Nagpe-present ka, apologetic ka na agad, self-conscious ka, you trust your client more than yourself. So, yan ang passive, Miguel.
aggressive
Nagpe-present.
bullying o pati
If you were to ask me sa first stage, dapat kung nagpe-present ka is very
yes,
assertive.
assertive.
Non-judgmental, observant, trust self, others, confident, open, flexible. Kasi nagpe-present ka pa lang.
Yes.
So the characteristics of the assertive person comprises your initial stage of your process.
Example, pag yung client pumasok sa showroom, welcome nyo. Tinatanong niyo ba, sir, ba't ka nandito? Ano ba, di ba?
Or sorry, nandito kayo. Apologize.
Di ba? Oo, kapag pumasok, kung passive ka, ako po, sir, sorry, andito kayo. Hindi naman gano'n, di ba? Paano? We welcome them, non-judgmental, kahit alam nyo hindi bibili o bibili man yan. Ang ginagawa nyo, ano? Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. Di ba? How can I help you? Tama, mali.
Jane, can you come closer to the group so you're part of it?
Tama, mali.
Yan, the question. SEM dito.
Tama? Okay. Oh, ba't aggressive? Okay. In this, ano ba ma'am, anong kailangan to? I-present nila to in a way
Present themselves. Like Miguel, how are you when you do this process flow? Are you aggressive, passive, assertive? In what stages are you aggressive? In what stages are you passive? In individual to, I'm giving you my time until at least 2 to 2:30. Kasi gusto talaga ni Miss Tibay, ma-hone yung individual characteristics nyo. Kasi team, okay na kayo sa team. So gusto niya, I want to hear from each individual, ilan na naman kayo, 10. I want to hear individually how you do this process flow. Kompleto na ba yung Mark, yung process flow na yan?
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, 1 to 8.
So yeah, 1 to 8, like I'm Miguel, this is how I do it. My first step, this is how I am. This is how I am. Puro ownership of who you are when you do the process flow.
Parang i-describe nyo kung paano siya ginagawa.
Ask yourself.
Ako, kunyari, FP ako. Pagka pumasok yun, when the client visits the showroom, nakaabang na ako dun sa pintuan. I'm non-judgmental, kahit sino man pumasok niya, ano man itsura niyan, you welcome ko agad yung client. Tapos, how do you welcome the client? I greet the client, ASAP. Okay. When you probe, nagkakanda kayo ng needs assessment, kayo ba yung tipong, sir, may pera po ba kayo, pambili, ano po ba budget nyo? Or do you ask saan nyo po gagamitin, saan nyo po pang family business po ba, or pang ganito, ganyan? Okay? So, isipin nyo, kayo isa-isa, kung paano ito ginagawa. Okay?
How you are, how exactly are you in terms of yung characteristics nyo when you do this process flow. So I'm giving you 10 minutes to ponder on this process flow and your characteristic, and you will present at exactly 2:15.
You present yung
So I'm giving
One by one.
one by one. Ganun ulit, individual presentation. So ipapaskan ko yan dito para makita nyo yung routine natin. Yes.
Lahat kayo, how are you when it comes to
Showroom.
welcoming the client? Yeah.
Tapos,
Next, 1 to 8. Next, pag nagpo-probe kayo, anong ginagawa nyo? What are your types of questioning? Ano yung types of questioning nyo? Yung tono ng pananalita nyo. Pag nagpe-present kayo ng product, dito dapat pag nagpe-present kayo ng product, hindi kayo dapat assertive, hindi kayo judgmental. Kasi hindi kayo non-judgmental. Why? Sasakyan natin pinipresent nyo, you should be what? Somehow aggressive. You patronize what? Our vehicles. Bakit? Sir, ma'am, ito po ang advantage nito sa let's say, Hyundai. Diba? So, hindi na natin siya binubuli ang Hyundai, but you patronize what? Toyota. Kapag nag-offer kayo ng test drive, paano? Sir, ma'am, we have test drive units. Ano ba? O, sir, ma'am, para mas maganda test drive na kayo. Ganun ba agad? Di ba? You ask. Kapag naggagawa kayo ng offer, paano kayo magbigay ng offer? Kapag ka mag-turn over kayo ng unit, tsaka pag mag-follow up kayo, paano? Okay? So, dapat yun, at least alam nyo kung paano nyo ginagawa. Kasi usually ginagawa, may showroom duty kayo, di ba? So, paano nyo siya ginagawa isa-isa?
Okay?
Yun.
Got it? So, pakipin yan dito sa board, sa gitna. Pakipin that. So, I'm giving you 10 minutes to ponder how you do your work. Pakipin lang para may guide kayo. Pin it in the middle. Tapos yung magpe-present, dito ka mag-present para nababasa mo yung 8 steps. If you stand here and I'll sit here, okay? I'll sit here. So yung magpe-present dyan sa tatayo, Mario, so lahat tayo dito sa side na ito, para nababasa niya. So I'm giving you 10 minutes to gather your thoughts.
Makes a follow. pinapalo at binubulog ko yung client. Service ka na.
And I will be asking questions, coaching questions, so that parang nag-go one-on-one coaching na. This is our final activity, so take advantage of it. Seryosohin nyo how you really do your work, and I will ask you coaching questions. Not to judge you, not to demean you, not to insult you, but I will just ask very confrontational questions. Ha?
Happy po, happy day. Pakipagpento ako pa kayo.
Okay, you have 10 minutes to ponder on your thoughts, sir. Okay. Lahat kayo, no exemption. Everybody will present. And this time I will acknowledge a brave soul for volunteer. Because this is our final event. This is our final activity. Bravery will make a lot of difference. So you want to volunteer? O may volunteer? Okay, you can you stand over there so I can see you. Miguel, upo ka muna para siya lang nakikita ko nasa.
Ma'am, sa sales process, ma'am, yung first thing na ginagawa po dyan, yung client visits na show. Ang ginagawa po na, before then, ma'am, sa mga pinanggaling ako, ginagawa ko yan. Siyempre, hindi mo na kailangan hintayin pa yung kliyente na siya magbukas ng pinto. So, kailangan nandun ka na sa pinto, nakabang. Dala-dala mo naman yung business card mo. So, pagpasok niya, siyempre, ma'am, welcome mo siya.
Showroom to showroom.
Ako, welcome po siya, ma'am, ng as if na, parang parang at home siya, ma'am, sa dealer na po. Kumbaga, gigreet nyo siya ng good morning, ganyan, no? How may I help you?
So aggressive ka ba? Passive or
Mga combination po ng ng aggressive and assertive po. Kasi hindi natin ma'am sa tao, ma'am, kung kung bibili ba siya o hindi. Minsan, ma'am,
So hindi mo siya pwede i-judge?
combination